Conservation. In the life sciences, action taken to protect and preserve the natural world, usually from pollution, overexploitation, and other harmful features of human activity. The late 1980s saw a great increase in public concern for the environment, with membership of conservation groups, such as Friends of the Earth, Greenpeace, and the U.S. Sierra Club, rising sharply. Globally, the most important issues include the depletion of atmospheric ozone by the action of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, the buildup of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, thought to contribute to an intensification of the greenhouse effect, and deforestation. Conservation groups in Britain originated in the 1860s, they include the Commons Preservation Society, 1865, which fought successfully against the enclosure of Hampstead Heath, 1865. And Epping Forest, 1866. In London, the National Footpaths Preservation Society, 1844, and the National Trust, 1895. In the UK, the conservation debate has centered on water quality, road building schemes, the safety of nuclear power, and the ethical treatment of animals.
12 coastal sites in Great Britain, including 5 special areas of conservation, have been designated by the European Commission to be part of a network of Natura 2000 sites. The EC will provide funds to help preserve these sites from development, overfishing, and pollution, and to monitor rare plants. They include the Northumberland coast, with its sea caves, its breeding population of grey seals in the Farne Islands, and Arctic species such as the wolffish, the Wash and North Norfolk coast, with its population of common seals, waders, and wildfowl, and its extensive salt marshes, and Plymouth Sound and estuaries, with their submerged sandbanks. A £10 million project, Turning the Tide, was launched 1997 by the Millennium Commission. It would fund coastal restoration of Britain's only magnesium limestone cliffs between Hartlepool and Sunderland. The area is rich in wild flowers, with grassland and deans, steep, wooded valleys. Intensive farming and the use of fertilizers damage the flora and fauna of the area. The beaches are polluted as a result of over 2 centuries of coal mining along the Durham coast. Waste from the mines was dumped into the sea and onto the beaches, leaving heaps of spoil 12 to 15 feet high. The restoration project is aimed at removing spoil from the beaches and returning the cliffs to their natural